Westinghouse 3400 PSI. This is the WPX3400. What I like about this is it's got a 212cc easy start engine, OHV. Here's the soap where you put down here. Engine, you got it on and off. You got your choke. Now when you get it, it has everything you need. Got all these nozzles, 0, 15, 25, 40. Also has a soap nozzle. Also comes with a little thing to clean out your tips as well. Comes with a hose, your wand. You have to attach this holder here, and then this black holder here, and this little foot pad stopper right here. Also comes with the oil you need, which is awesome. It supplies the 10W30 with a little tip that we're going to put in here and get that going. Here's the on and off switch. Should be pretty easy to start. Hooked up the hose right here and right here, and then you put your water attached right there. But so far it looks like a really great pressure washer. Got to test it out. Let's get some oil and fuel in there and get this baby going. Okay, I have not started this yet. Choke is to the left, on, gas to the right. Put on this side. Holy cow, one fire. Okay. So there you go, tons of power. The Westinghouse 3400, 2.6 gallons per minute. This thing is a beast and will get the job done. Very easy to use, simple start, big engine on it. Has nice rubber wheels, so you can move this wherever you want. And if you actually wanted to take it apart, it's just got these cotter pins here that you could slide out and pull the whole wheel off if you wanted to maybe mount it to something, I don't know. Okay, and then the soap, so it's got low pressure soap, so we'll put some soap in here, and then this will spray it out. But yeah, definitely when you hook it to a surface cleaner, you can do a lot of area in a short amount of time, so that's awesome as well. But this is the Westinghouse WPX3400. This is an awesome pressure washer. Highly recommend. Definitely pick up one of these.